How's it going, everybody? Now, I know all of us love our RGB, and if you don't love RGB, then this might not be the video for you, so you can click off and go watch something non-RGB related, which will be boring, or you can stay and help out the channel and maybe get into RGB. I mean, you never know, we could add some RGB people to our RGB army, and I don't even know what I'm saying, but anyway, in this video we are gonna take a look at the Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB light enhancement kit, which in a sense is memory, but also in a sense it's not really memory. We'll get into that right after this. Now, a bunch of you again have been asking me about the merch that I'm wearing, so if you haven't gotten any of them for yourself and you do still want some We Do Tech merch, I will leave a link in the video description where you can get some of these white or black We Do Tech a shirt with this cool tech-like pattern on the side. Also still have these two caps available with the We Do Tech logo. So if you guys want to help support the channel and then also look cool while doing it, then definitely check out the link in the video description where you can pick some of these up for yourself. So then, what exactly is the light enhancement kit for the Vengeance RGB Pro memory? Well, if you take a look, they pretty much still look exactly the same. They still have the same analyzed aluminum heat spreader, the RGB light spreader at the top, and they still have the exact same name on them as well. But you'll see at the bottom where the standard one has a bunch of connections, the lighting kit does not. There's far less. That's because it's pretty much dummy memory that just has all of the looks with none of the performance. So we have seen this before. I think the first one ever, to my knowledge, was from a Oris, which we did also review a while back. So that one also has the dummy memory where you still get all of the looks and all of the lighting effects, but you don't have to buy a full kit of RGB memory again because that is quite expensive. Of course, this is not going to be for everybody. If you don't want to kit out or bling out your entire PC, it's not going to be for you because it is going to be an extra cost just to make your system look a bit better, but that's pretty much what RGB is. It does increase performance by 1,000-fold, but only if you believe in it. Otherwise, it doesn't. So again, it's a dummy memory that just lights up and looks awesome. Pricing wise for these, they do go for around $40 or 580 Rand on Rebel Tech here in South Africa, and you do also get them in the black heat spreader and the white heat spreader as well. So you can mix them with the standard ones if you wanted to. You can mix them with the other ones, the normal Vengeance if you wanted to. I don't think the lighting works like that, so no, don't do that. So these lighting kits are meant for people who already own the Vengeance Pro RGB memory because they're not gonna look the same as the other ones. So if you want to fill up all of your memory modules, say you only have 2 at the moment but the standard board has 4, then you'll get one of these because they do come in a pack of 2. Or if you have 8 slots and you want to fill them up as well, you can get 2 of these and fill it out. Again, it's more meant for people who want to feel like a baller, who look like a baller, to fill it up because it's just spending money on just making a system look a bit better. But again, that's what RGB is for. So if you do already own some of these Vengeance Pro RGB memory, you know how the Corsair IQ software works. You can just plug them in, you can control all of your RGB lighting on the modules. There's a bunch of different effects that you can apply. And then of course you can link all of your Corsair RGB products together, whether it's your fans, whether it's your LED strips, pretty much all of that you can control it through the IQ software. I'll show you my desk as well. I still have my Corsair LL series fans with their RGB strip behind my desk, which just looks awesome. So you get a full lighting effect throughout your entire system. So that is pretty much it. It's just a quick video going over the lighting enhancement kit, just showing some of the lighting effects and all of that if you want to get some of these. Again, I will leave links in the video description where you can find them on Amazon if you live overseas, and then Rebel Tech if you live here in South Africa. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, if you want some of my merch, check out the link in the video description. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment like always. I'll check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.